Foundation isn't just makeup, it's your second skin, a subtle layer that brings out the best in you every single day. It's the base for your entire look, the starting point that sets the tone for everything else you do with your makeup. When you find the right shade, your skin looks like itself, only smoother, more radiant, and glowing with a healthy confidence. The goal isn't to hide, but to enhance what's already beautiful, letting your natural features shine through while giving you a flawless finish. A perfect match boosts your confidence, helps you feel comfortable in your own skin, and lets you step out into the world feeling your absolute best. It evens out redness, blurs imperfections, and gives a natural, polished finish that looks effortless but makes a world of difference. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about celebrating your unique beauty, embracing your individuality, and feeling proud of your skin. Confidence from a great foundation shines through in everything you do, from the way you walk to the way you smile at the world. Finding your perfect shade is a personal journey. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's what makes it special. With so many shades available today, your match is out there, waiting to be discovered among a rainbow of possibilities. Think of it as a treasure hunt. The prize is a foundation that feels made just for you, blending seamlessly and enhancing your natural glow. Your face is your canvas, and foundation gives you a clean slate to create your masterpiece. Whether you love a bold look or something soft and subtle, it helps your blush, bronzer, and eyeshadow pop, pulling your whole look together and making every color you choose stand out beautifully. Let's unlock the secrets to finding your perfect foundation so you can feel empowered and radiant every day. It'll become your trusted friend and the first step in your beauty ritual, always there to help you put your best face forward. Ready to start this beautiful journey? Let's begin and discover the magic that the perfect foundation can bring to your life. Let's break down skin tone and undertone, two essential aspects of your complexion. Skin tone is your surface color, fair, light, medium, tan, or deep, and it can change with the seasons. For instance, you might notice your skin getting darker in the summer and lighter in the winter. But the real secret to a perfect match is your undertone, which never changes. It's like the hidden layer beneath your skin tone that influences how colors look on you. Undertones come in three types: cool, warm, and neutral. Cool undertones have hints of pink, red, or blue. Warm undertones feature yellow, peach, or gold hues. And neutral undertones are a mix of both. To find yours, check the veins on your wrist. They can be a great indicator. Blue or purple veins mean you have cool undertones, while greenish veins indicate warm undertones. And if you see a mix of both, you likely have neutral undertones. Or try the jewelry test. Silver flatters cool undertones, gold flatters warm, and both look great on neutrals. If both silver and gold jewelry look good on you, you might have neutral undertones. Clothing colors can also give you clues. Certain shades can enhance your natural glow. Blues and purples are great for cool undertones, while oranges and yellows complement warm undertones beautifully. Knowing your undertone is the key to finding a foundation that looks natural and seamless, ensuring your makeup enhances your natural beauty. Now for the fun part, testing foundation. Always test on your jawline, not your hand, for the most accurate match. Pick 3 close shades, stripe them on your jaw, and let them sit for a few minutes. The shade that disappears into your skin is your winner. Lighting matters. Step into natural daylight to check the match. If you can't, ask for a sample and test it at home. Don't hesitate to ask for help at the makeup counter. They're trained to guide you. Finding the right foundation can take a few tries, but it's worth the effort. Application is everything. The way you apply your foundation can make all the difference between a flawless, natural look and a cakey finish. With the right techniques, you can enhance your skin's natural beauty and boost your confidence. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Your foundation will glide on smoother and last longer. Prepping your skin is the first step to a beautiful base. Primer can help your foundation last and create a perfect base. It fills in pores, smooths texture, and helps makeup adhere better throughout the day. Use a brush for full coverage, blending in circular motions for an airbrushed effect. A damp sponge gives a dewy, fresh finish and helps melt the product into your skin for a seamless look. Or use your fingers for a natural look. The warmth of your hands helps blend foundation effortlessly. Start with a small amount in the center of your face and blend outward. This technique prevents heavy buildup and keeps your makeup looking fresh. Build coverage only where you need it, like on blemishes or redness, for a more natural skin-like finish. Blend well, especially along your jawline and hairline, for a seamless finish that looks great from every angle. Check your makeup in different lighting, natural and artificial, to make sure your foundation matches and looks flawless everywhere. Finally, set with a light dusting of translucent powder to lock it in place and keep shine at bay, ensuring your flawless finish lasts all day. Your skin type matters when choosing foundation. Oily skin? Go for oil-free matte or long-wear formulas. Powder foundations help control shine. Dry skin? Look for hydrating, luminous, or dewy formulas with moisturizing ingredients. Cream foundations and tinted moisturizers are great for dry skin. Avoid heavy powders. Combination skin? Try satin finish foundations, or use different products for different areas. Sensitive skin? Choose non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, and gentle mineral foundations. Always patch test new products before applying them all over. Amazing foundations exist at every price point. Drugstore brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer quality and variety. Maybelline Fit Me and L'Oreal Infallible are favorites. ELF Cosmetics is another budget-friendly, cruelty-free option. High-end brands like NARS, Giorgio Armani, and Fenty Beauty deliver luxury and innovation. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk is iconic for its radiant finish. Fenty Beauty set a new standard for inclusivity with its wide shade range. Whether you splurge or save, choose what makes you feel your best. Makeup is about self-expression and fun. There are no strict rules. Experiment with finishes, mix shades, and try new techniques. Foundation isn't about hiding. It's about enhancing your unique beauty. Use as much or as little as you want, depending on your mood and needs. The most beautiful look is the one that feels authentic to you. Embrace your journey, find what makes you feel powerful, and remember, you're beautiful just as you are. Makeup is just the cherry on top. Let your confidence shine.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.